Okay, so for this one we've got to apply some more rules of indices, okay, or exponents, and here's for part A. Now look, you can do 32 squared first if you want. That's 960,1024, okay? But then you have to do 1024, the fifth root. So it's a pretty tough one to do, but what we can do, of course, is here's 32 squared. We'll start again. Here's the fifth root. We're going to change the fifth root into an exponent, which is a power of 1/5. Okay? And you will remember that we can multiply the exponents together, but therefore we can switch the exponents round because it doesn't affect the multiplication. So therefore we can do the fifth root of 32 first and then square it. And now that becomes a lot easier because 2, 4, 8, 16. 2 is the fifth root of 32. When we square it, we get 4. So if we go all the way back to here, in fact, we can do the fifth root of 1024. The fifth root of 1024 is indeed 4. But you can see it's easier to power down and then power up than going the other way. So that's always a top tip. Now over this side here, we've got 27 over 8. We've got a little negative index here, and then we've got a fraction here. So we arrange the negative one first. So that means we flip the fraction inside the bracket, and we keep the 5 over 2. And then you've got a choice. You can power up first, or you can power down. And my idea is to power down. But unfortunately, when I created the question, I didn't really choose my numbers very well, because can you see that this is 8 over 27 power down, second root, and then power up to 5, okay? And can you see that the second root of 8 and the second root of 27 aren't nice numbers? So what do you think I've really meant to write? Yep, that was right. We want the third root, so let's just amend that now. The third root here, therefore that will be the third root here. Therefore that will be in here, that will be the third root. Okay, so let's do the third root, and then you can see how and why I chose those numbers 8 and 27, because the third root of 8 and 27 is 2 and 3. And then when we power it up to 5, we can put a little equivalence here. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. 3, 9, 27, 81, 2, 4, 3. 2, 4, 3. Okay. So basically negative fractional indices or negative fractional exponents, sort out the negative first by flipping or taking the reciprocal, and then power down and power up.